Hi dear student, I am so happy to welcome you to this brand ultimate masterclass about lead generation. It is so fantastic. No matter if you have been business owner or you have been starting digital marketing journey, most people, they have never known how powerful Facebook, Instagram is in lead generation. And I guarantee you will love this course and I will not let you down. Why it is so fantastic? Because lead generation, you can create magnificent ads with lead ad form. And so the people, they just click on mobile or click on desktop and they quickly give you the contact. You can call them, you can build up your newsletter database. It's fantastic too. But we will go much deeper. I will also show you how to create conversion ads so you drive traffic to your website with the aim to fill the lead ad form. And we go deep also with the setup of business and I show you everything in depth. You get also fantastic to-do list for lead generation. Everything is explained step by step in depth, including copywriting hacks. So I'm sure you will love this course very much. Please welcome, please enjoy it, because this is the course that you will love it and reach magnificent success.